Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download 2xKO on PC. As of the release of this video, 2xKO will be slated for an early access release on PC on October 7, 2025. This early access period begins with Season 0, which will feature a new champion and will be the first full feature release, with all progress and content unlocked during this time becoming permanent for players. A full release for consoles such as PlayStation 5 and Xbox is planned for 2026, but no date has been announced yet. To sign up for the closed beta, go to the official 2xKO website and register for the closed beta to get access to the game. After registering, wait for Riot Games to send you an email confirming your eligibility to participate in the closed beta. Inside the email, click the Play Now button and log in with your Riot account. You'll be directed to a page where you can select Download on PC. Run the downloaded executable file. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the Riot client. Open the Riot client, and if you are logged in, the 2xKO game should appear with an install button. Click it to start the installation. A computer restart is recommended after installation is complete. After restarting, launch the Riot client again, and the game will be available to play. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.